Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with my spring living room refresh. So if you want to see how I put all the items together, just keep on watching. Now this living room refresh consists of all the items from my last haul. If you did not get a chance to see that, I will leave a link for you below so you can take a look. But we're going to start first right here at the coffee table. So the coffee table has my golden tiara tray. You've seen it in many of videos. And I've just put these beautiful candle holders with gold candles in. And right to the side of that, I have books that I have stacked. And these books, I actually wrap them, one of them with cloth, the black and white one with cloth. And the one on the bottom is from gift paper, like wrapping paper. And I did an assortment of beautiful pink flowers in my short vase just to complete the look and to tie in the colors I'm going for here. As you can see, they are gold, pink, and a bit of black. On the side table, you'll see the pink vase that I upcycled in the last haul video. I showed you where they were blue before, and I spray painted them with this vintage blush spray paint and got them to this color to match the decor. And these beautiful faux flowers are all from Home Sense. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're like different kinds. I just kind of mixed them in. And then I have these ones just hanging in the front. These ones actually came from Michael's. They were $6.99 a bunch. I've also added my elephants. You know I love elephants and pineapples. So this one has the gold elephant and the other table has the white elephant. Beneath that, on the second level of the side table, I have just used a book as well as a candle stand and added some greenery on the top of it. Now moving over to the sofa, you know these items. These again are the pillows, the pink ones on either side that I hauled in my last video. And here is the beautiful throw that I've added to the sofa, and I think it just looks beautiful with all the pinks and creams together. I really like the way this looks. Now on this side, you'll see my two black chairs. I have draped them with these cream colored throws and have added these two beautiful pink pillows. And I got these a while back. I think I got them in Burlington like a year and a half ago. And then in the center is my beautiful arrangement of flowers, again from the haul. I also shared a picture of this on my Instagram page. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do so at the Glamorous Penny Pincher. And at the bottom, I just have a pink candle and a picture of my husband and I. Now these off-white curtains are absolutely beautiful. You can see the beautiful patterns that it has. Absolutely gorgeous. They're thick, they're off-white, they're like winter white, and just beautiful for the winter season. I had these up over Christmas, so I didn't bother to take them down. And then I added some lighter ones with a little bit of shimmer going through. And I think it works very, very well and ties everything in with the colors that I'm working with for my space. Now I've kept my same rug. It's a beautiful rug from Safavea that I ordered online. I think I ordered it from Wayfair. I can't remember exactly, but I've had it in here for a while, and it's just beautiful. It's just soft, and it just works well with everything that I have in my space. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. Just wanted to give you a peek at my refresh. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. I'm enjoying it for now, and we'll look to do something different for the summer months. But for now, this is where we are, and I'm truly enjoying the blushes, the creams, the golds, and I think everything just looks beautifully together. Now guys, don't forget that my online store is up and running, and I have merchandise for sale. If you look directly below this video, you will see some of those merchandise displayed. Please take a look and provide me with your feedback. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.